Michael Sager, one of the nominees during the first nomination night of Pinoy Big Brother, Celebrity Collab Edition alongside Hayes, collab partner, Ralph De Leon, became visibly emotional upon hearing the announcement. In a previous episode, he shared how challenging it can be at times to decide whether to be completely honest or hold back. Before entering the house, Push-Ab-CBN had the opportunity to speak with the Diligent Wonderson ng Marinduque, where he shared his thoughts on handling criticism. "I hope I can handle it. That's something important that I have to look for because cancel culture in TBB is more common. Siguro kasi nga, you're being recorded 24/7 and you're in a space na hindi mo mapoprotektahan or ma-defend ang sarili mo because you're not aware of anything," he admitted. But the rising actor also hoped that viewers would be more thoughtful about their words and take the time to understand what truly happened. "Siguro for me, I think people should always be mindful of what they say online. Minsan it's out of context din. Alamin natin ang buong konteksto kung ano ba yung sinasabi or kung ano nangyayari kasi baka ma-misinterpret lang. But knowing that, siguro, I'll also be mindful of what I have to say. But ang ano ko lang sa mga outside world sa mga viewers natin, let's stay positive and avoid the negativity," he pointed out. He also believes that you can never fake your way inside the iconic house. "I think kahit sino man ang pumasok dyan at gusto nila mag-portray ng isang character or anything, sa dulo talaga lalabas yung totoong ikaw eh. Kasi at the same time, yung scenario nito, yung situation is very tricky. Kumbaga, kung sasabihin hindi ka mapipikon, na feeling ko mangyayari at mangyayari kasi nga, China challenge talaga tayo ni Kuya," he explained. But no matter how authentic the housemates are, Michael stressed the importance of always being kind to one another. "It's important to stay true to yourself at ipakita yung talagang ako. Whether if we're showing my negatives, my positives, at ang gusto ko lang ipakita is hindi tayo dapat maging masama sa isa't isa," he pointed out. Meanwhile, Michael also shared how joining the reality show feels like a full circle experience. "This is actually my third time auditioning for TBB. I started with TBB Connect, then the Teens Edition, and now ito. It's been a dream of mine, and this moment feels like a full circle moment." He went on to share his favorite TBB moment, reminiscing about the Pinoy Big Brother Unlimited big winner, Slater Young. Yung kay Kuya Slater, yung parang nagagalit na siya tapos yung parang, sinabi niya, "Sabihin mo kung sinong plastic." Ganoon, parang gusto ko mangyari yung parang intense. Pero sana hindi mangyari, Michael candidly mentioned. See more of Michael by tuning into Pinoy Big Brother, Celebrity Collab Edition every night, Monday to Sunday, on the GMA Primetime block. You can also stream it online via live broadcasts on the Pinoy Big Brother YouTube channel, Kapamilya Online Live, Cole, and Iwantik.